Let's cover some kitchen basics with Minimalist Gourmet. Today we're going to be poaching chicken. This is a very simple and fast method that turns out a very tender, delicious, and juicy chicken. We're going to begin with 1 pound of chicken in a small pot. You can use breast or thighs. Add enough water to cover the chicken breasts by about a half inch. Always use cold water for this, never hot. This will come up to temperature a lot more evenly and not overcook the chicken. We want to season up our poaching liquid, and I'm going to start with 5 cloves of garlic. 1 bay leaf goes in, followed by about a teaspoon of whole peppercorns. We're going to finish this off with 1 chicken bouillon cube for salt and flavor content. Or you can omit the chicken bouillon and use 2 teaspoons of salt. This recipe is so good for customizing, so put in what flavors you like. Some lemon slices, ginger, fresh herbs, curry powders, etc. Put this on medium heat and make sure everything is well mixed. Take a little bit of extra time to crush up that bouillon cube and stir it in well. You're going to cook this until everything reaches a nice simmer just like this. Once it reaches this state, turn the heat off completely, cover it with the lid, and let it sit here for 15 minutes to cook. After 15 minutes, we want to pull these out of the poaching liquid so they do not continue to cook and overcook. You can check its temperature with an instant read thermometer if you'd like. In the thickest part of the meat, it should read 165. Although it's not really necessary, this recipe has never failed me. Let these sit at room temperature for about 10 or 15 minutes. This will give a chance for all those juices to redistribute and not run out on the plate when you cut into it. Now you're ready to enjoy these a million different ways. You can cut them, shred them, or eat them whole. Stored in an airtight container, these will last in the fridge for about 3 or 4 days, so they're great for making ahead. Because the chicken is so juicy, this is a great option for meal prep as well. It will retain a ton of moisture even after being reheated. And now you know how to cook poached chicken at home. Thanks so much for watching.